nature. The calm and beauty of something just outside our doors. It changes with the seasons, cold and bitter, warm and serene. It welcomes you in with open arms, like an old friend, always there and never far away. Spring always brings the beauty of bloom and growth. Everything alive with enthusiasm and eagerness for brighter days and peaceful nights. We take it for granted. If only we could find more time to enjoy it, to take it all in and appreciate the blessing we are granted every single moment that we are provided with it. Nature is always there, waiting and willing to provide you with this charm and beauty. Take a step outside your comfort zone. Create the memories that will last a lifetime. Body and soul will thrive with the appreciation of something so simple, yet monumental in size and scope. Nature is calling, and you have the choice to answer her call. It's a decision